In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in on TradingView 2026. We'll start from a fresh browser so you can follow along easily. Open your browser, head to your favorite search engine, and type TradingView. Click the official TradingView website in the results. Once the homepage loads, look toward the top navigation and select Products. From that menu, choose Chart to open the main charting workspace. That brings you right onto your chart, which is where all the zooming happens. Before we zoom, let's make the chart nice and big so it's easy to see. Look for the expand or full screen icon within the chart area and click it to maximize the workspace. If you see side panels or watch lists taking up room, you can hide or collapse them temporarily so the price chart is front and center. Expanding the view doesn't change your data. It simply gives you more screen real estate, which makes precise zooming much easier and helps you focus on the area you care about. Once your chart is expanded, take a moment to get oriented. You should see the price scale on the right, the time axis along the bottom, and your candles or bars in the middle. Move your mouse directly over the chart's plot area, not the toolbar or side panels. If the chart doesn't respond at first, click once inside the plot area to make sure it's active. This ensures that when you use the mouse wheel, the zoom is applied to the chart itself. Now for the zoom. Place your cursor over the part of the chart you want to inspect more closely, maybe a cluster of candles, a recent breakout, or a key support area. Scroll the mouse wheel upward to zoom in. Scrolling up magnifies the chart, and scrolling down zooms back out. TradingView centers the zoom around your cursor, so keep your cursor positioned over the exact spot you want to bring into focus. If you zoom in too far, simply scroll down to step back. If you're on a laptop with a touchpad, a pinch gesture with 2 fingers will also zoom in just like on a smartphone. That's it. You went from opening TradingView to products onto your chart, expanded the view for clarity, and then zoomed in by scrolling up on the mouse wheel. Practice a few times to get a feel for how the cursor position affects the zoom. Thanks for watching and enjoy exploring your charts with precision.